And I will put this third into the fire, and refine them as one refines silver, and test them as gold is tested. They will call upon my name, and I will answer them. I will say they are my people, and they will say, the Lord is my God. There's a weight beneath my ribs, not grief, not rage, just revelation. How long till this flesh explodes from the roar beneath creation? I've seen silence sell us cheap, sell out truth for sweet sedation. But I won't bleed politely while they choke on imitation. Can you hear it? The fire's got a voice. It's not hate, it's a holy, holy noise. Gas in my hand, word on my tongue. Not here to play nice, not here to play dumb. Let the sleepers wake, let the liars run. Let the fire preach until the work is done. This ain't vengeance, it's the cure in flame. If it hurts your eyes, then scream his name. Purge the rot, tear off the chains, till only fire remains. Only fire remains. Born in ruins, rocked in collapse. No lullaby, but the echo of cracks. They said the world was starving. I looked far, God pointed back to my churches, to my streets, to my homes, to the mirrors I can't outrun. 1,000,000 splinters buried in my skin, from logs I hid to protect those within. It left me marks of where the fire's been. I didn't spark this holy blaze, but I'm carried through its flame to expose what we've buried in sand. I can't lie when his word is at hand. Vultures tried to eat something fully alive, so the lion awoke within that man. He cried out, the Lord is my God. Ash in my throat, truth in my spit. These splinters scream where the pretty pansies quit. Gas in my head, word on my tongue. Not here to play nice, not here to play dumb. Let the sleepers wake, let the liars run. Let the fire preach until the work is done. This ain't vengeance, it's a cure in flame. If it scorches pride, then bless his name. Purge the rot, tear off the chains, till only fire remains. When face to face your spirit pours off me, but I see tasty grins in the pews. Venom laced in vows, priests whispering comfort while truth is bleeding out. Blind men feasting on shadows dressed as saints. But I've seen the lion wake, and I won't act like we are all safe. If peace means silence, then Jesus came with a sword. So burn it down, because these cracked altars won't save anyone. The splinters stay, not wounds but scars. Proof I stood where cowards starve. This hunger holy, this ache divine. Let the rot burn out, let the truth ring forth. I have tasted flame and bear his name. Even if it sears me, even if it breaks me. Gas in my head, word on my tongue. Let the cowards flee, let the loud be A million more words I retain. Let his word